Hello and welcome back to Southside Miniatures. And I have made a start on the ground floor of the Art Deco Maxwell House. And I've done a little bit in the kitchen, but I'm going to show you that now. And then as it is going to be a little bit dark in there because I haven't got light in there yet, and we're still waiting for the lights to come and all that, but I have started it. And I will show you the kitchen, the dining room, and then the conservatory. But the work is still ongoing, and I'm going to show you bits and pieces as we go through this. As we go through this video. So, and what I'm going to do is turn the camera around now. And as just show you the kitchen, we're going to go on to the kitchen, and I am going to drop the house down because it is on an angle, so you can see the ceiling of the kitchen, and I am using the trimming to go around the doors, to go around this door, but I haven't put that on yet because and I've still got to put a flooring in here and all that, so we'll just go to and then if I need to take the door out. But yeah, as the ceiling's done, all I need is the light to go in there. Well, I know this frame on the ceiling ain't exactly that in the middle, but and it's stuck there now, so that's going to stay there. But that is my fault. But we will, and I will sort out the rest of them. So what I'm going to do is drop this down now, and then we can scan the rooms as we're going. Right, is the floor in the kitchen, and that is finished. We're going to have white and silver and units to go in there, so it should brighten it up quite a lot. And then once we get the light, and as I said, sorry about it's too dark in there, but and then we're wasting on the light. Right, the floor and that I done, and I made out of 2mm basswoods, and I cut it all down myself, and all that. And what we done is we'll stick it to cards, and then stuck it into the floor, and because how I done it was get a bit of paper. Measured the room on the paper and cuts it out exactly, and that is to the room, and then transferred the paper over to the cards, and then cut the cards to the exact size, and then stuck the 2mm basswood on, and that is the floor. Right, we're going to go over to the dining room now. Okay, this is the dining room. Yeah. So there you see these 3 bits of woods. They're the trims to go around the kitchen door on the kitchen sides and all that. Sorry, I didn't show you them, but that's them 3 there. And as once I put the floor in here, and I know, and I haven't got to do nothing else to the door, and I can put them round. So, but until then, I won't be able to. Right, this is the dining room. As you can see, I've got wallpaper at the back there. This is just a false wall. Sorry about my arm, if I can get this out. No, I can't, I've got to use this other arm. That's my false wall. There's my staircase going up, and then we've got another staircase going to go up from here and up to this, up to the next floor. But that's the wallpaper there, and I've got a light in the back there, and there's I will show you that as well a little bit later. And this is the wall, this is the false wall, but that will be stuck in as well soon. And that is what I've got is the wallpaper and the paints for the walls. What I'm going to be doing in just a moment. This is This is Turkish blue. Yeah, Turkish blue. And as it is a sample pot. And then we did get it from Wickes's. And as in, sorry it's too close. And as you can get them, it's about £2, about £2.25, £2.50 a pot. So yeah, and then my wife brought 2 of them, so I could paint the walls. But I'm having these 3 walls. This wall here, this side wall, that back wall over there, and this wall here, the Turkish blue, and then the main the feature wall is going to be this here, and that's this one here, that colour there. I'm having that colour there, and that should go quite well. Quite well with that wallpaper. And if I can stand there, I'm going to show you. Yeah, it should go quite well with that wallpaper. And that's that. Okay, that's the wallpaper and the paints, and I've just showed you. Well, I'm going to be starting in just a moment, as I said, and just a minute ago. And I'm just going to leave them there because I have done the floor for it, and as this floor I've done myself as well. And that is the same as that floor. I'm going to have is darker woods. And it all fits in, and it will fit in perfect. So once I've done the wallpaper on the walls and painted the walls, I will varnish this, and there's a darker stain on it, and there's that going there, and then plus plus I've got the lights to go in there as well. And there's a light, and that's from Doll's House Emporium, and that is, so that's that one. Sorry. So that's that, and I'm going to do the skirting, put the doors and then put the doors on the staircase, paint that, and then start putting the furniture in after it's all finished. Well, not after it's all finished, because it's kind of going for quite a while, and but they're not decorating it because I want to get that done in the next couple of days, and that's all this floor. But that room there, the kitchen's finished for like decorating, and so I've just got to add furniture to that, and I've got to decorate this one. Okay, right, so I moved the house around and we're round to the conservatory now. And then as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see this, and there's workmen in there because they've left all the timbers about. But I will and open the doors and I will show you in now. That's the door open. Right, so what we'll do, and I haven't fixed this in yet because so we can get let's test that out. I'll put it around there. Right, sorry. I've done the floor. I put lino was what down. It's a marble effect, black marble effect. I painted the walls grey, and as you can see, and there's a nice grey. And but I think you've seen there's this grey in one of the other rooms, and now I think it's down in the basement. So yeah, that's the grey walls. This is the coving. Well, but still got to be painted for this room. And that's the 4 bits of coving. You see, it's all cut to size, and I've just got to cut the angles in it, and then I paint it, and they're going to be stuck up. Also, I've done the skirting, and that's all cut to size. So, but all I've got to do is cut the angles in that as well, and then that'll be painted and stuck in. That's the skirting and the coving. and as plus I've got the light to be put on, and as but this one is from and then Miniature Worlds, and that yeah, that's about how far I got. Okay, I'd like to show you the two doors that I've made for the Art Deco dining room. This one is to go from the dining room out into the hallway where the staircase is, and as if you can see that is, and I hope you can. And it's all fixed into the door as we went to the frame, and as now it's got to be done is fixed into the house. So that's the one of the doors, and then I've got a second door what goes from the dining room into the conservatory. That one's all fixed in as well, and then now you can see that nice and clearly, and then that's all fixed into the frame now. And now I've done that on front and back of this one, but only on the front of that one, because you won't. Once this one's fixed in, you ain't gonna see the back of that one. So that next time you see these ones, they'll be and they're fixed into the house. Right, as the kitchen's finished now, the dining room's finished, and the conservatory's finished. What we're going to do is just show you a quick a glimpse at the three of them, and then all we got to do now is put the furniture in and the units, but I will be making some of them on camera and some off camera, but any ones that I make that is not on camera, and as in you want to see the tutorial, just let us know, and then I'll make them. Right, this is the kitchen done, the lights done and all that, so that's all on now and all that, and so there's just units to go in now, and now we're just sweeping over to the dining room, and as you can see the doors that I made that I showed you a little bit earlier and all that, and as in we got a glass door to the from the dining room to the kitchen. Yeah, it's me and the wife's opening the doors and all that, because I'm behind the camera. Right, sorry as the camera's a bit shaky because I am moving it about, and as we ain't very good for filmers, because they just started really doing it. But that is the two doors that I made a bit earlier, and as my wife just showing the other one up, as you can see, and now my wife's going to open the one to the staircase. The light is on out there. I know it's a bit dark, and then as we think it's on, yeah, we're sure it's on. And that is yeah, that's the one to the staircase. Oh, and the light in the dining room's gone off as well. But that's it. Come back on there, and then they must be like the pole guys from my wife's sorting his house. My wife's sorting his house, and I was doing it. Right, that's the dining room one. Finished, so all we got to do is put the units, tables and all chairs and all that in there. And do you see that single bit of a single bit of wood down now, and that's a different colour, and then but that isn't glue or anything, and but that's just the way it is, and then there's just one bit of wood out of the whole lot, and then there was a different colour, but never mind. Right, I'm going to turn the house around now, and we can have a look at the conservatory. Right, okay, this is the conservatory. I know it's a bit dark in there because I've got a light on the camera, and then plus I've got a light in the house on, and as you can see, the light on the house is on. And then plus I have to take the camera off the stand, and so I can show you the conservatory, because and I'm doing the best I can, and then trying to get it in there and to show you it all. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit now, so I might lose a bit of focus. And that is that's all the floor done, as you can see now. That is the door is opening now, as you can see. And that's my wife's hands. And then we shut that back up now, and then you can see the door opens. And that's it. That's good. So that's the conservatory done. So all they'll be doing is adding bits and pieces to go in there now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the door on. Yeah, I'll put the doors on, as you can see now, to the conservatory. And as you can see, they're open now. We can open them up. Well, what I could do just a minute ago, but so you can open them up now. And that, so that's the ground floor or the first floor done. Depends which way you look at it, and there with the basement on. So all it leaves now is just putting some stuff into the house. And making some furniture in it to go in now. Okay, right, that's it for this video. And they will turn the lights off because they was on battery and all that, because I've got to do the copper tape on the back of it, and that, so and then that's how I can fix all the lights on and all that. Yeah, but apart from that, and all it is just making furniture to go in there, go into it now. So so thank you for choosing to pick this. Sorry, hang on, and I'm getting like there's no muddled up. And I've got a bit of blue towel because I've got someone who wants to get on my lap. Come on in. And then you can see me say Teddy. And it's and as he wanted to get into the and as he wants to go into the doll's house, but and then I think it's a bit too big. And but it's our little Teddy, and there's our drinks behind. And then that just in down there, and there's but he's too and as he is a big boy. And so right, is our Teddy, right, kind of Teddy, we have to get down so Daddy can finish talking. So yes, thank you for watching our video. And as and then if you could please subscribe and then push that like button, and as then and then speak to you and speak to you in the next one, and that, so and have a lovely day, and that is and speak to you soon. Bye bye.